What is going on YouTube? TripSix here. So my first video on this channel was all about songwriting and how to write better lyrics. Something we all tend to sometimes struggle with though is coming up with a topic to write about to begin with. So in this video, I'm going to be briefly listing 25 different concept ideas that I have either used for songs in the past or have considered using. But be sure to watch until the end because at the very end of this video, I'm going to be telling you about a process that I use to come up with these concepts easily. So without further ado, here is the list of 25 song topics. Something that depresses you. Something that makes you anxious. A person or object that makes you happy. What you hate or love about the world. A significant event in history. An event that shaped who you are. A tribute to someone who died. Your deepest fear. A person or object that makes you mad. An ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend. How much society truly sucks or how much it truly rules. A story of personal triumph or personal mistake. What you personally think the most about each day. One of your favorite pastime activities. A strange dream that you might have had. What you aspire to become in life. Your curiosity towards something like outer space. Taboo topics that people don't otherwise talk about in public, like sex or death. How certain types of weather might make you feel. A song about religious concepts. A fictional story from the point of view of a character. A metaphorical fictional story. A comedy song. A song with a political or a cultural message. And last but not least, a personal story of despair. And that concludes the list of possible topic ideas. Now for that creative process that I mentioned before. Sit down with a pen and a paper in a very silent area. Close your eyes and think deeply into how you are feeling in that moment. You can be feeling happy, sad, angry, etc. Then try to focus hard into that feeling. What comes to mind? You may be feeling angry. What in your mind is linked to that anger? What might possibly be making you happy in that moment? Now, write those answers down. Do this for about 60 seconds and then analyze what you've written down and pick a topic to write about. The purpose of this is to pick your topic and then begin writing in the moment. This will not only prove to be a surefire way to develop a topic to write about, but it will also ensure that you write higher quality lyrics while you're in this zone of feeling however you are feeling. This is the process that I typically use for the purpose of choosing a lyrical concept for my songs. Let me know in the comments how it works out for you. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like what you saw, go ahead and hit subscribe down below, drop a like, and also leave me a comment sharing your good song ideas as well as your creative process to develop them. This is because there's always something different that may work well for others. See you in my next video.